10 tens in 100. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is cardboard and we're gonna make number counters out of it. We will make ones, tens and hundreds. First we will cut this into pieces with this machine, then we'll paint it. These are the ones over here, and these are the tens, and these are the 100s. Now we will color it. Then let them dry. Example, if you needed 112, you would get one block of 100 and a block of 10. Then you would put it together like that. Then you get two of the block 10 of ones, and then you put it with it. This is 100, 100, and this is 10. So 110, you add two more, it equals 112. Another example, if we wanted to add 15 and 7, we would need a block of 10 and 5 1. Here's 15. And then you would need 7 ones. So we have 15 over here. We had 7. Now we count it all together. This is 15, we already know that. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So the answer is 22. There are 10 ones in 110. There are 10 ones in 110. There are 10 tens in 100. 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. One less is 400. Another one less is 300, and another one less is 2, and another one is 1, and another one is nothing. For example, if we wanted to make 345, we would take 300s and 4 tens. Then we would take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, and then we would have 345. We made this so you learn counting. It helped me to learn 1, tens and hundreds. We can use this to learn maths again and again. If you like to subscribe, thank you for watching.